Hello, everyone. I found this great article in the New York Times that I want to use in my research. So I'm going to go up to my Scribble extension and activate that. And so now notice I can bring up some annotation tools and everything else. And what I'm going to do is that when it's time to actually when it's time to get the MLA documentation, I'm going to go over to the quotation marks, the show citation sidebar, and click on this. And I'm going to change the source type. It knows that this is a web page, but this is a specific type of web page because this is a newspaper article and it's on the web. So I'm going to change that. And before I do that, notice down here, notice what happens to my MLA style. It has the New York Times here, but it's not following MLA style right. Now it's asking me, what's the name of the newspaper? Okay, it seems to know, but it's lacking that information for some reason. So I need to type in the New York Times. And notice what's happened. It's putting the Matt Richtel and others, and then it's putting the title in quotation marks. Yeah, it's a newspaper article, so that goes in quotation marks. And then it's putting the title of the publication, the New York Times, in italics. So it's getting that in its right form. I can always switch to other forms, but MLA is Modern Language Association. That's the style that's most used in English courses. Now I can look if I'm in a science course, for example, and they are asking for an APA citation. Notice what happens when I click on APA. Notice how for APA, that favors the date and makes it more important than some of the other information. So notice it put initials for the names and then it moved the date up to the second position. Imagine if you are writing a paper for a science or an education class and the date of publication is going to be important to differentiate that research, that it's important for the researchers to know if this is important information or not. The third most popular style is the Chicago 17. I'm going to switch it back to MLA 9. It instantly changes that. And I'm going to go over, copy full citation to clipboard. That's what I'm going to do. And then I can paste that into my Google Doc or anywhere else where I need the full citation. Happy citations, everyone.